Hey you guys, it's me, Autumn. I was doing a YouTube video because I heard banging. I thought I heard something real quick. I heard banging at my, the window in my living room at night. It's really scary. Look, guys, I went to the movie theaters, so it's really dark outside. Probably can't really see anything, but it's really dark outside. So I'm about to go investigate. Hey, Jax. I'm about to go investigate what it is because I have no clue what it is. I just heard it. I heard it 3 times. When I heard the first time, I was like, that was probably just something fell in the living room. Because I heard it from the living room. And the second time, that was not me. You guys saw me pulling my hair. Oh my gosh, it's the 4th time. And the second time, I was like, okay, I already heard that. Maybe just from it knocking over, the other thing probably knocked over. My mom thought that somebody was at the window, and then I heard the 3rd time, and I was like, I'm starting to believe you, Mom, this time. Oh my gosh, I'm really scared. We heard it from the living room. Mom hasn't gone checked. She's in the bathroom. I'm really scared because I feel like lately, whenever I go outside, I feel like somebody's watching me. That's why I never film outside anymore. Well, I never film outside. But, if you guys go on my Musical.ly, I used to always film outside on my Musical.lys. Oh, yeah, my Musical.ly account will be down in the description below, so if you are on Musical.ly, please follow me. I literally hear stuff. I'm not doing it. Look, I'm not doing it, so I'm really scared. Guys, you saw me. My hair went like this because it scared me. Because it really scared me. Okay, let's just go look. I'm really scared. I'm starting to hear these things. And they're coming from in here. I need to make sure that Jax does not get my sandwich. So, it looks really good right now. Does this look delicious or what? Okay. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just washed my hands and I heard it 2 times. I'm getting really scared. I feel like somebody's just banging out the window. I'm really scared. I think I'm going to chill out here for a little bit. I'll get back on camera if I hear it one more time, and I'll definitely tell you guys. Or more than twice. I mean once. Okay, guys, I just heard it again, and I'm really, really scared. I don't know. I think I should go back in there. There it goes again. Okay, hold on. I'm going to ask my mom to get proof. Mom? Have you been hearing those banging noises?
Yes.
See? She has. It's really dark. Look. It's really dark. Because everybody's asleep right now. Everybody's asleep right now. I think for my sister and me and my mom, because me and my mom are watching YouTube. Yes. If you guys know that symbol, S and a B, please tell me in the description below. Okay, let's go. It's really dark. I'm really scared. I have not gone out this. What time it is actually? It's 9:37. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I got so scared. Scariest hour is 3 o'clock. It's really dark. And if you guys don't know, I really hate the dark. Okay guys, so I'm about to go in there. Let's go. The light just turned off. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, was that scary?
That was weird.
Yeah, it just shut off.
I don't know why they did that.
Look,
crazy.
I'm in the room right now. Look. This is the bed, and then this is the TV. This is so weird. The light just turned off. Nobody was over here. The TV and the computer are still on, so there's no way that somebody could have shut off the power. I just noticed how really dark it is. I'm going to try to turn on the... Guys, It's not turning on. This is the fan light. And then this is the light. Like, this is like for the fan and then this is for the light. Like, look. And that's still going. It's crazy, dude. Look, I'm doing it down, up, down. That's freaking crazy, bro. That's really weird. And it's on right now. And that's really weird because nobody could have shut off the computer. I mean, shut off the power because the computer's still on and the TV's still on. Like I just showed you, look, the TV's still on. That's really weird. Okay, let's just go in there. Jax, will you be my companion? Thank you, baby. Let's go. It's really dark in here. Jax is really scared. Okay, come on. I cannot see you. Come on. Oh. Okay, I heard it from this window over here, where my OPS stuff is at. Right up here. See my OPS stuff? And then all the way across. I'm hearing it from over here. I'm really scared. Guys, come over here. Come meet my companion, baby. Come on. Can I see anything? I'm about to fall off. Oh my gosh, there's not a sofa. Okay, I'm gonna try to climb back down. Oh my gosh. Someone brought up on my phone. I'm seriously gonna fall. My other hand's like holding the phone. Okay. Okay, guys, I just dropped my phone and I'm glad that it did not crack. That's weird, the banging stopped. Never mind. I'm getting out of here. Jax! Come on! It's freaking crazy, bro. Yes, it's working! That's really scary. That's really scary. Okay, I think I have to go now. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, shut up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like to be in my wolf pack, please go ahead and follow. Turn on post notifications and go ahead and leave a like. So, and then after that, you're all, oh wait. Go ahead and follow my music links, and you're fully on Wolfpack. Oh, if you don't have music, that's fine. You can just follow. You can just subscribe to me, like, and turn on post notifications. That means hit that bell with, how about glass piece or something like that? How about you hit it with doggy? I'm kidding. Go ahead and smash that like button with your fingers because I don't want to be very aggressive. Don't want to be with it. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, Jax wants to leave it off. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna go see you now. So bye. Okay. I want to show you guys something cool that I always do on Musically. Okay, let me set this up. Okay. Hard. Okay. Back or left. I'm kidding. Okay. So if you do not have music, go ahead and subscribe to me. Put it on post notifications and hit that bell. And if you do, please go ahead and follow me and do the other stuff. You know, subscribe and stuff. and you're automatically on my wolf pack. Oh yeah, tell me that in the comments below. And I gotta go check you and make sure that you do. Or else you're not in my wolf pack, okay? Oh yes, I can check that. Just go ahead and press your thing, click on your thing, and I can look at your subscriptions. That means who you subscribe to, so don't try to play it. Okay, bye.